Blood donation benefits. There are many benefits of donating blood. First of all, donating blood can save life any person who in need of it. Besides, a normal body contain 3 excess bottles of blood. Anyone who donate blood can control his cholesterol level, obesity, and can also lower the risk of heart attack. To know more about blood donation benefits, just watch this video. 1. Lower the risk of cancer. Blood donation may also help in lowering risk of cancer. By donating blood, the iron stores in the body are maintained at healthy levels, and the reduction in iron levels in the body is linked with low cancer risk. 2. Burns calories and reduce weight. Regular blood donation reduces the weight of the donors. This is helpful for who are fat and have a risk of cardiovascular diseases and other health issues. However, consult your doctor before donating blood because the blood donation should not be very frequent, so that you can avoid any health issues. 3. Lower the risk of heart and liver disease. Blood donation is helpful in reducing risk of heart and liver ailments caused by iron overload in the body. Intake of iron-rich diet may increase the iron levels in the body, and since only limited proportions can be absorbed, excess iron gets stored in heart, liver, and pancreas. This in turn increases the risk of cirrhosis, liver failure, damage to pancreas, and heart abnormalities like irregular heart rhythms. Blood donation helps in maintaining the iron levels and reduces the risk of various health ailments. 4. Blood cells creation. After donating blood, the body works to replenish the blood loss. This stimulates the production of new blood cells and in turn helps in maintaining good health. 5. Iron levels will stay balanced. Health benefits of blood donation include reduced risk of hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis is a health condition that arises due to excess absorption of iron by the body. This may be inherited or may be caused due to alcoholism, anemia, or other disorders. Regular blood donation may help in reducing iron overload. Make sure that the donor meets the standard blood donation eligibility criteria. I hope you enjoyed the video about blood donation benefits. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching videos. Subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you.